Autoflows, it's our second year now, I think. We just had it for 2 years, but to start with, we can see the results. It's really amazing. Because 2 years ago, when we started this customer center for all of our stores, we had only 2 people working here. And we did the same thing with the Excel sheets. We had to go through every single one of the customers and send them first an email, then SMS, and then call them if they didn't respond. And it was really slow, this whole process before Autoflows. And when we got Autoflows, just after the first year, we had to hire 2 more people. And today we are 5 working clients here, with me 6. So not only have Autoflows increased the customer experience and given us more to work with, but we see that it actually has created more jobs, and it has been the success factor for our company's customer center to grow. So just to explain to you guys, we have 8 different stores on different cities, and we have Ford, Nissan, Hyundai, Mazda, and other brands. And we can see that from the year 2022 to the year 2023, we have increased our number of bookings and the cash flow with 100%. So we have doubled from 2022 to 2023 in 1 year. And right now, as we speak, we are in 2024, and we see the customer stream is just increasing, and soon we are looking to hire even more people, because all of the manual process that has taken so much time, it's now automated by the Autoflows. So the only thing we have to focus on now is working towards the people that have not responded. We can say in the manual process, like we worked before 2 years ago, maybe we can reach 1 customer in 1 hour, but now we can book like 4 or 5 customers per hour. When we started with Autoflows, maybe we thought, but okay, the first year we can increase the customer flow with, let's say, 20%, but it has been multiple thousands of bookings, and we have doubled our income, and just in 1 year, and that's amazing. For me, Autoflows, it's the new way of working. It's the future. And yesterday or 2 days ago, we were introduced by the Autoflow leads. And you can see that we're going through the right direction. And we can see from month to month when Autoflows have any updates or changes, some of the things are even getting more easier. It's positive. One thing that is really good, that's in Autoflows, you have something that's called statistics, where you can see what every single one customer is responding when they're getting the invitation. Before we had Autoflows, we were working in blindness, because if a customer is not happy with the price, or maybe to a long wait list, 2 years ago, we wouldn't have heard of this. But right now, with Autoflows, the statistics, it's showing what's the primary reason why the customer want to go to another place or don't want to have this service this year. And this is really great material to work with as a dealer, and you now have data to work on, and you can improve and listen to the customers. Because before Autoflows, we didn't have this, and now we can use the spare time that Autoflows saved for us to work on these feedbacks, and that has helped us a lot. We have multiple brands, and if you have hundreds of customers that have given you feedback, and 80 of them are saying the Ioniq 5 Hyundai are too pricey, then we can actually go in there and do something about it. And that's been really great for us.